Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix FaceTime is not working or connecting on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you have recently downloaded and installed the iOS 26 on your iPhone, and after that if you try to use FaceTime on your iPhone iOS 26 and you are facing problem of FaceTime, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply search for the FaceTime settings from here. And here you have to simply make sure that it is shown here. So here you have to simply make sure that all the features are turned on, which means you have turned on Face ID for the FaceTime, and also you have turned on the attention aware features for FaceTime. And moreover, you can also check whether your Face ID is working properly or not. And if your Face ID is not working, then you have to make sure that you have fix the Face ID on your iPhone. So if your Face ID isn't working properly, but then you have to, first of all, you have to solve that problem, which means you have to make sure that your Face ID is working, and after that you will be able to use FaceTime on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe to our channel.